Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm CashApp. Welcome to my channel if you guys are new, and welcome if you are a returning subscriber. So in today's video, you guys, I will be working with Alibonnie. You guys, they did send over this ginger colored hair, which is 200% density. It is a 13x6. You get 4 combs and adjustable strap as well, you guys. So jumping right into the styling of this wig, you guys, I did decide to go in with a side part. I did go in and put a couple of baby hairs, nothing more, or should I say not nothing more, but I did not do too much. And that's just the way I prefer. And I did go in and put makeup on my wig as well as my ball cap, you guys, because the wig is transparent lace, which means the lace is white. So like I said, I did go in and put some foundation on my lace, and I think it looked really good. So this next step is crucial to all my installs. I did go in with a little bit of my wax stick as well as my hot comb. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. So right now I am going in with my Ghost Bond glue. I did use 3 light layers and I let it dry. So I did end up going in with my razor just to cut my lace. I do like to alternate between my razor and scissors. Sometimes I feel like using my scissors and sometimes I don't. So like I said, I did go in with the razor this time. And now I'm going to go in and touch up on the glue where it did not stick to the lace. That's what I'm doing now. And then I will be going in and using my curling iron to put some curls, you guys. This hair was super easy to install and style all at the same time, and I must say this hair was super soft, you guys. I did not put any product on this hair. The only things that I utilized in this video today was just my wax stick as well as eco gel for my edges, and that's all the product that I used on this wig. And like I said, this hair is super soft, you guys. We can get away, palm cheese, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. One trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. And still right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Alright guys, so this right here is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm definitely going to leave all of Alibonnie's information in my description box below, so you guys can be sure to check them out and shop with them, you guys. So definitely don't forget, if you guys are new, to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.